Last time on Toysballz, Goku, Vegeta, and Karen went to Sadira's cave, and they battled Kayako. But Kayako got so powerful, and as now, Goku and Karen left the cave and went to Kayako's house. Meanwhile, Vegeta is the only one that has to fight Kayako in the cave. Will he last long till they get back? Today's episode, Toysballz, episode 103. Kayako's house. This house is vacant.
Alright. You bringing thunder and darkness to this cave, but it's not gonna be your last, Kayako. Kayako and Karen going to your house, and now they gonna find how to stop you. And I can't wait for them to do it. So, what you gonna do about it?
You're very affected by the curse, Vegeta.
So you can't do that all the time. Well, technically, popping your neck back in place and try to talk to me, it's not gonna help. I'm still gonna kill you no matter what. We gonna battle to the death, and I hope you got some upper strength. Come on. Beat it, punk. Your history. I think I did it. It's over. Now I can get out of here. Where is she? desk. Where is she? No way. There can't be. You can't do this to me. You're not strong enough, Kayako. You evil. I went through her.
It's time for my real power. I'm gonna kill you.
Try all you want. Your eyes are red? Huh, don't make me laugh. You can't do anything to me. No time soon. Now come on. I'll be a Super Saiyan 2 now. Besides, I was just playing around with you. Now you got full power, I'll go to my full power. Let's do it. How'd she do that? I had enough of you. I had enough of you ever since I seen you. Duh. Oh, oh. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Now, Kakarot, I'm nothing. I'm a Super Saiyan too. There's no way that you beat me by this chance. I'm powerful than you. I am tired of that. I'm tired of your mouth. Tired of your cracked up neck. And now, I'm gonna break your neck. What's wrong? I'm just getting started. Do this. Looks like your power is decreasing. Well, I never knew your power in that quick. You're pathetic, Kayako. So pathetic. Well, these your red eyes are gone. That means it's just time for you to end. Oh.
I'll break your neck instead.
Told you, this battle is only to the end. It ain't over, Kayako. Till it's over, you are not gonna stop me in time. Kakarot and Karen are heading to your house. As I told you before, when they find out how to kill you, I'll be happy. So let's continue.
As agreed.
Kakarot. Uh, uh,
I'll heal myself. In the meantime, you just get some sleep.
uh.
Here we are, Karen.
This is Kayako's house, Goku. This is Japan. Very, very evil here. A lot of people died in this house. Let's go in.
You gotta find this evidence that you're talking about.
It's in the attic. Let's go.
It's vacant. I can echo in this house.
This house was burnt down by me, but some people saved this house. You see, that's why it's empty.
It's falling apart.
Goku, let's go upstairs. That's where we gotta go. Follow me.
What about just stay downstairs?
No, come on. Watch your head.
Okay.
Sack's very own.
What we're looking for here?
Her blood. Basically, sometimes people come to his house. She tricks them and kill them. Make them part of her curse. So, Goku, come on.
Hey, what's that?
What? Guess we got company.
お、こっちがアタックだ。かかった。
It's our husband. Hurry, Goku, come on. Let's get this blood and get out of here.
I hear thunder in here.
Go that way.
Okay.
Gotta find it. We gotta hurry up. I found it. Goku, come here. Goku?
What? I blasted him. What's that?
The blood. It's blurry right here. You gotta put something in it. Just take some of it and take it back to the cave. Then we can actually start this.
Wow. I never knew you would find this house.
I was in Japan, Goku. I was supposed to be a nurse. That's what I was wanting to do in Japan.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I must hurry and get back to that cave and save Vegeta.
Okay. Goku and Karen made to Kayako's house, found the blood they're gonna use. As what they had told from Evil Orchid, it would actually stop the curse. And now they're gonna need it and get back to the cave before Kayako kills Vegeta. And will they get back in time? See next time on Toysballz.
Come on, let's get this blood and get out of here.
Oh no. Hurry, Karen, let's go.
Come on.